Welcome to SimplySportBikes.com. We have a 2007 Kawasaki ZX10. It is the special edition. Decals have been removed. That gives you the red wheels, and there's still the special edition badge on the tank. Go through this video, show you the condition of the bike, parts that are on it, start it up so you can hear it run. We start here on the right side. You can see the bike is very clean. Like I said, the stickers have been removed. There's no marks. Tank is in excellent condition. No dings, dents, or major scratches. Does have the tank bed protector on it. There's the sticker, you can see it says Ninja Special Edition. Both seats are in excellent condition. No rips or tears. Let's take a look at the tail. Again, no major scratches. It does have the fender limiter kit. Rear tire is excellent tread like left. This bike will receive a full inspection before it leaves the shop. Will also come with a 1 month, 1,000 mile warranty. Take a look down the left tail. Again, you can see very clean. Tank, no major scratches again. Take a look down that left side plastic. Again, very clean. Go ahead and start it up here so you can hear it run. Does have the carbon fiber ZX10 bar ends. Come around the front of the bike, see the nose, no major rock chips, marks of any kind. Front fender's in good shape. Shot of that front tire. More pictures, information available on this bike at SimplySportBikes.com.